Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to add an admin to your Facebook group, then this video will be definitely helpful for you because in this video I will show you how you can add an admin to your Facebook group very easily. So guys, let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook application and then click on three lines on top right corner. After that, click on groups. And on the top menu, you can see your groups. Click on this and then scroll down. And here in the groups you manage, your all groups will appear. You can select the group to which you want to invite your friend to become an admin. So for example, I click on first group and then click on manage. After that, scroll down and find people. Here you can see people, click on it and here all the group members will appear. You can see I have only 3 members in this group, so you can make anyone the admin of this group. For example, I want to make the first one, click on 3 lines and here you can invite as an admin. If you invite as an admin, then this person will accept the invitation and become the admin of this group. For example, I invite this, so click on it and send invitation. So you can see the invitation to join to become the admin of this group has been sent to this person. Whenever this person accepts this invitation, then he will become the admin of this group. So guys, in this way you can add an admin to your Facebook group. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.